Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Jjim. Begin by browning pork belly to develop savory depth, then add kimchi and sauté briefly to wake the flavors. Pour in stock to cover, add gochugaru for heat, and a splash of soy for balance. Simmer gently until meat is tender and sauce reduces slightly. Finish with sliced green onions and sesame oil for warmth and aroma. Begin by heating a pot and searing pork pieces until nicely browned on all sides, which adds deep flavor. Toss in kimchi and sauté until fragrant, then add stock to just cover ingredients. Stir in gochugaru and a touch of sugar, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until the pork is tender and the sauce concentrates. Finish with green onions and drizzle sesame oil for a glossy, fragrant finish. For easy swaps, use firm tofu or mushrooms instead of pork to create a vegetarian-friendly Kimchi Jjim that still absorbs bold flavors. Tweak gochugaru and soy sauce amounts to dial in spiciness and saltiness exactly how you like it. Consider adding potatoes or rice cakes during simmering to bulk up the dish and capture the savory sauce, giving each bite a comforting, chewy finish that pairs well with steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.